partiers, it's your girl Tiffany back in the spot again, back with another video. And today, you guys, I'm going to be making some New Year's Eve trays and some dessert cups. So I wanted to do a little video, show you guys some ideas, different tray ideas you can use and dessert cup ideas you can use for your New Year's Eve party. But stay tuned to this video and let me show you how to do this. Okay, you guys, so first things first, what I want to show you are these little cups that I got from, if you guys watch my videos, you already know what I'm going to say. I got them from where, you guys? Dollar Tree. And these are water glasses, says. But let me show you guys one. This is one water glass. And you guys, I also bought these wine glasses because I'm gonna put my desserts in them, not wine. But let me show you guys all the items that I got to do this these dessert cups. Okay, you guys, so on to our deviled egg tray. I have already boiled and cracked and got the yolk out of my egg already, and I placed my eggs in the egg platter already. And as you can see, you can still see a little of the egg yolk in there. I scraped it out the best that I could, but that doesn't matter because you're going to cover it up with the filling anyways. So let's get to what you're going to need for the filling. You are going to need black pepper. You're going to need salt, paprika, and I'm using salad dressing in mine because I like the sweet taste in my deviled eggs. And you're going to need mustard, you guys. And I'm also using a piping bag. So let's get started. So I have mashed my egg yolk already. Yolks in here, and I did 15 eggs. And now I'm going to add a cup of salad dressing. And I'm going to add a little bit of mustard in here. Going to stir it around. Just a little. And before I stir it all the way, I'm going to go ahead and add a half teaspoon of black pepper. I can get my pepper open. So a half spoon of black pepper. and a half teaspoon of salt. Okay, and I'm going to continue to mix it around. Okay, now I'm going to add it to my piping bag. I'll be back. Hey, you guys, so I got my piping bag ready to fill. And I'm just going to fill them in. And I'll be back. Okay, back to piping, you guys. My bag was clogged up with the egg, so make sure when you mix up your egg mixture that you mix it up really well, because if you try to put it in a piping bag, it will get clogged up. Just letting you know. Okay, so I'm going to continue to pipe these. Okay. Next one. And you guys make sure you watch part 1. This is part 2. Okay, so I'm going to keep piping these. And I got one more to go. And I'm going to go around here just to make sure it's filled up. Okay. Where can I put some more? A little more can go in there. Okay. So I got my filling in my deviled eggs, guys. And now I'm going to add my paprika. Okay, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little on the top of them. Okay, there we go. Didn't want to come out for a minute. So this is another easy tray you guys can make. All right. So I have got my paprika on my deviled eggs. And here is my tray. And I haven't decided what I'm going to put in the middle of this tray. What could I put in the middle of this tray? Well, if you guys watch part 2 to my New Year's Eve video, you'll see definitely what I put in the middle of this tray. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will party with you guys next time. Bye.